Louise Elisabeth Vigee Le Brun, often known as Madame Le Brun, was born on April 16, 1755, in Paris, France. She was the daughter of Louis Vigee, a portraitist and pastel artist, and Jeanne Mason. Her father recognized her talent for art early on and encouraged her to pursue painting. Tragically, Louis Vigee died when Elizabeth was only 12 years old, but not before laying a strong foundation for her future career. After her father's death, her mother remarried a jeweler, Jacques-François Le Sèvre, who provided financial stability for the family. Vigée Le Brun received her initial artistic training from her father and later from Gabriel François Doyen, a history painter. She also studied the works of prominent artists of her time, such as Peter Paul Rubens and the great masters of the Italian Renaissance. By the age of 15, she was already working professionally, painting portraits to support her family. Her talent quickly garnered attention, and she became a sought-after portraitist among the French aristocracy. In 1774, she was accepted into the prestigious Académie de Saint-Luc, which provided her with additional exposure and recognition. Her technique was noted for its bright colors, flattering portrayal of subjects, and ability to capture the essence of her sitters. In 1776, Élisabeth married Jean-Baptiste Pierre Le Brun, a notable painter and art dealer. The marriage was both a personal and professional alliance, as it allowed her to connect with influential figures in the art world. However, the marriage was not a happy one. Her husband was known for his infidelities and poor financial management, which eventually led to their separation. Despite these personal challenges, Vigée Le Brun's career continued to flourish. Vigée Le Brun's career reached new heights when she became the official portraitist to Queen Marie Antoinette in 1778. She painted over 30 portraits of the Queen, depicting her in various roles, from a regal monarch to a devoted mother. These portraits were significant in shaping the public image of Marie Antoinette and were admired for their elegance and grace. One of the most famous portraits is Marie Antoinette and Her Children, 1787, which aimed to present the Queen as a caring mother amid growing public discontent. Vigée Le Brun's association with the Queen brought her immense fame and patronage from the French nobility, but it also tied her fate to the tumultuous events of the French Revolution. As the French Revolution gained momentum, the royal family's association with the artist put her in a precarious position. In 1789, amid the growing unrest, Vigée Le Brun fled France with her daughter, Julie. She spent the next 12 years in exile, traveling across Europe and continuing her work as a portraitist. During her exile, she visited Italy, Austria, Russia, and England. In Italy, she was inspired by the works of the Renaissance masters and received commissions from the aristocracy. In Austria, she painted the portraits of the imperial family, including that of Marie Antoinette's sister, Marie Christine. Her time in Russia was particularly productive, as she gained the patronage of Catherine the Great and the Russian nobility. Her portraits from this period are characterized by their cosmopolitan style and attention to detail. Vigée Le Brun returned to France in 1802 after the establishment of the consulate. Although the political landscape had changed dramatically, her reputation as a leading portraitist remained intact. She continued to receive commissions and painted portraits of the Bonaparte family and other prominent figures of the Napoleonic era. In her later years, Vigée Le Brun wrote her memoirs, Souvenirs, which provide a detailed account of her life, her artistic career, and her observations of the political and cultural changes of her time. She also took an active interest in promoting the arts and encouraging young artists. Vigée Le Brun's work is characterized by its elegance, refined technique, and ability to capture the personality and status of her subjects. Her use of color and light, along with her skill in rendering textures and fabrics, set her apart from many of her contemporaries. She was known for her ability to put her sitters at ease, which is reflected in the relaxed and naturalistic poses in her portraits. Her portraits often included symbolic elements that conveyed the sitter's identity, status, and personal attributes. She had a particular talent for painting women and children, capturing their grace and beauty with sensitivity and insight. As one of the few women artists of her time to achieve such prominence, Vigee Le Brun broke barriers and challenged the conventions of the male-dominated art world. She became a role model for future generations of women artists, demonstrating that talent and determination could overcome societal constraints. Louise Elisabeth Vigee Le Brun's life and career were marked by extraordinary achievements and challenges. From her early beginnings as a talented young artist to her rise as the favoured portraitist of the French court, and her resilience in the face of political upheaval, she remained dedicated to her art. Her legacy is not only seen in her beautiful and timeless portraits, but also in her contribution to the recognition and advancement of women in the arts. Vigee Le Brun's work continues to be celebrated and studied, offering inspiration and insight into the lives of the people she painted and the remarkable artist who brought them to life.